Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's proceed ahead towards the teaching learning process of the English language, and I have been handling the tenses till date, and we are through with the five types of tenses, and today I'll deal with the sixth type of the tense, and that is the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, it is used in the sense of कर लिया था या हो चुका था, and when the words like last, ago, yesterday, previous appears in a sentence, it indicates the use of the past tense. Now next point is, what is the formula or the form of the verb we will use in this type of tense. Now here we will make use of the had plus third form of verb. Had is always used with the he, she, it, I, you, we, they, and singular nouns, and as well as the plural nouns, means with every kind of pronoun it is used. And I repeat, the formula is had plus third form of verb. Had plus third form of verb. Now the verb here is the ring, rang, rung, sing, sang, sung, write, wrote, written. Now I will use the like this: had plus sung, had plus rung, had plus written, had plus done. Now this is the simple, or you can say perfect tense, past perfect tense. I am using it. So to now move ahead is the situation where it is used. It is always used in a situation where you have to depict any activity which had completed in the past before the start of the next activity. I repeat my words: any action that was completed in the past before the start of the next action. So, to illustrate my viewpoint, I'll take one example. The meeting had started after the director arrived. The meeting had started. The meeting had started. So meeting had started is the, means here two activities are there, one in the sentence. One is the meeting, another is the arrival of the director. The starting of the meeting, it has completed, it has started, so it had started. So that we will make use of the meeting had started. So had started is the past perfect tense. Then is the director arrived. Arrived is the second form of the verb, and here that is the simple past tense. So in a sentence, when we are making use of the past perfect tense, one part of the sentence will use past perfect tense while the other part will make use of the simple past tense. Let's proceed ahead. Second example here is where we had reached home before the rain started. We had reached home before the rain started. Now here again the two activities are there. One is the reaching of the home and another is the starting of the rain. But we reached earlier, so that was the activity which was completed. So we had made use of we had reached. So had reached is the past perfect tense. Rain started. So here we will make use of the simple past tense. So remember again, then when you are making a sentence in the with the using of the past perfect tense, then in one part of the sentence will be the past perfect tense and another part will be the simple past tense. So whenever you are making a sentence in the past perfect tense, also ensure that you have to make use of before and after. Before and after, they are always used in the past perfect tense. Then next is, let's put into practice into different kind of sentences. The first is the affirmative or the positive sentences. She had done her homework on time. She had done her homework on time. Had done is the past tense, past perfect tense. Had done is the past perfect tense. Negative is the she had not done her homework on time. She had not done her homework on time. So had will remain with the she, because as I told you, that subject is always followed by the verb. Had, between the had and the done, you will insert not when you are saying no, she has not done it. You want to say she had not done it. So now the past perfect tense is had done and had not done. So both are the past perfect tense, one of them in the positive sense, another in a negative sense. Let's make the interrogative sentence then. Now in case of the positive sentence, here you will simply interchange the position of the helping verb had and the subject. Had will take the place of she and she will come at the second place. I repeat, had will go at the first place and she will come at the second place, and the rest of the chunk of the sentence remains the unchanged. So it will become, had she done her homework on time? Sign of interrogation. Had she done her homework on time? Sign of interrogation, question mark. Similarly, let's make the interrogative sentence of the negative sentence. Here also we will simply interchange the position of she and had. Had will come at the first place, she will have come at the second place, and the remaining sentence remains the same. Had she not done her homework on time? Had she not done her homework on time? Sign of interrogation. So this way, in every kind of tense, three types of sentences are there, and the sentences, the use of the verb varies according to the use of the tense. So you can practice on different types of tenses by making use of the different sentences. So let's summarize the whole lecture. First thing is, today is the chapter was on past perfect tense. First thing, कर लिया था और हो चुका था. Second point, last, ago, previous, yesterday, whenever they appear in a sentence, they represents the use of the past tense. Number 3, the formula here is had plus third form of verb. Number 4, you have to use it in a situation when you are to talk about any action that was completed in the past before the start of the next action. Means any action that was completed in the past before the start of the next action. Means two action were there, वन एक्शन और एक एक्शन को कंप्लीट कर लिया है एंड द सेकेंड एक्शन इज़ लेफ्ट. जिसको कंप्लीट कर लिया है उसको आप पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में लिखेंगे या बोलेंगे. द एक्शन विच वॉज completed in the past that you will speak or write in the past परफेक्ट टेंस. और दूसरे पार्ट को आप सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में बोलेंगे. वंस अगेन कि वेन एवर यू आर मेकिंग अ सेंटेंस इन द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, it will have always have two parts. First part will be, or the second part as the case will be, one of the parts will be of past perfect tense and the other side will be the simple past tense. Past perfect tense, simple past tense. ये दोनों को कनेक्ट कैसे करेंगे? वी मेक यूज़ ऑफ बिफोर and after. So 5 things you need to remember when you are making a sentence in the simple, or you can say past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense you need to remember these 5 points and then put them into practice into 3 different types of the sentences. So that's all I have to say about today's points about the tense, and rest we will deal tomorrow. And